So, you know, as you know, I film most of my videos in my bedroom, like, and there's a clean part of the bedroom. Like, it's nice, right? It's like minimalist, it's all good. But then there's the other part of my bedroom, which is my closet area, and that's just been a hot mess. So we need to fix that. I think this might be a two-part video where the first one is me doing the closet, and then the second part is me doing my bathroom vanity, because that's been I've been hiding that from you guys too, because like I've been meaning to remodel it since I moved in, and I haven't done that. Today we're gonna start with the closet, and then probably next video will be the bathroom, because that's a hot mess too. Yeah, let's get into it, guys. First off, guys, need to put this back where it belongs. Why is my shower cap there? I don't know. So just to give you more of an idea, oh yeah, that's good. Yeah, let's get rid of all that. And yeah, let's just kind of go through this, because there's a lot of stuff in here that I just... Okay, look, I didn't even wear this yet because whatever. It's too late, whatever. Okay, I'm just gonna kind of go through like what I don't use here anymore. A lot of this is just like church. It's for church. I just want to make sure that I'm actually utilizing this stuff, and if I'm not, I think it's just time for it to go. Actually, using pretty much all of this stuff. But I haven't used this, it's a cute like Amazon dress. I haven't used this in like three or 4 years. And whenever I need, like, I don't go to special occasions, and when I do, I have just done like Rent the Runway once in a while, so I don't know that I need this, because it's just sitting there. Yeah, I'm good. I don't, that's like not my style anymore. Then I have like this old work jacket. Bye-bye. I thought I would like these oversized like sweaters, but they are not my thing. For anyone who was like, get velvet hangers, I did. My life is still the same, but it's okay. I don't use this. I just use a lot of black and white for stuff. I have these oversized pants that I had bought for a function before. I don't use them, so I'm not going to keep them anymore. That sweater's good. All right, that's my husband's stuff. That shouldn't be here. Put this back over here. That's good for a first pass. All right, that looks the same. It looks the same, but I have some nice stuff here on the ground. Here you go. There you go. All right, those are the first wins. All right, so my pile is getting bigger. Let us now move on to phase 2, guys. All right, so I actually have like this bag. I'm gonna put all of the clothes in, so just to make it like fancy or organized for when I drop it off at the place. That feels good. That feels good to be getting rid of that. All right, I'm gonna do this already. So these are swim shorts, so that has to stay. Maybe I need to make some areas. So let me just pull out the stuff. These are also swim shorts, but I'm not comfortable in them, so those are going away. So I have jeans. I just bought these, like, but I don't use them. I don't like them. Please comment below if there is a place in which I'm supposed to wear jeans. Because I've just been wearing tights. Like, I've been wearing my black tights all the time. So I'm going to say no. At least someone will get a nice pair of jeans. I have shorts. I like shorts. Yeah, because even in the winter, I've just been wearing my tights, my black tights from American Eagle. I have like 2 pairs of them. These are also from American Eagle, and they're great. They fit great, but I'm realizing I don't like, there's like a restriction or something with jeans. There's like this restrictive feeling that I get, and I don't like it. It's like, you know, like, I don't know, but it just, I get bothered. So it's just not for me. These are paint pants, so I think I'm going to keep these. These are my husband's. Why are these here? Okay. I like these. I wear these day in and day out, all day, right? Yoga pants, yoga tights, whatever. So they stay. I have these, but maybe I don't need these because, what? Puma? These are not mine. You know what? It's so dumb. Like, this is not even my stuff. Like, how is my husband's stuff getting in my... That's why I'm feeling like, I was like, why is my drawers... My drawers is not closing, guys. All right, I got these for pickleball. That was dumb, but they weren't that expensive, but I'm going to donate them to somebody because they're like, it's a skirt, but you can't move in the skirt. When I was doing pickleball, I was doing splits. Like, I was like, to get that ball, I had to get low. And I could not move in these. Give those away. These are like my safe space. Okay, good. All right, I have leg warmers, but I haven't used leg warmers in a long time. So I think they were so cute, but I don't use them anymore. These are packing cubes for when I go on my travels. As there's a fruit fly. I'm going to be going on my travel soon. Going on a road trip to Maine. I won't tell you when, so that you can't ransack my house. Yeah, joggers, I think I'm done with joggers just because they're not, I think the ones I had just weren't long enough. So I would always hike them up, but then when they hike up, they slide down. So it's like dumb. These shorts, do they have, these shorts, I bought these and they don't have tights inside. I don't like that. Gone. Long socks. No need. Yeah, I have bought these. And I'm not even using them, but I'm ready to just get goodbye. Oh, I'm so excited now. Look at this. There's even room for my painting pants. We got room for the painting pants. So let's put all the pants in that. Let's put the pants that I use most regularly. We're going to put them right here in the front corner because I'm tired of like trying to search through the whole drawer because my husband's stuff was in here too unnecessarily. And now I have too much room. I love it. We love this. Okay, next. So I have some swim stuff that I use. So let me just pull this guy out. This is supposed to be all my swim stuff, but it looks like other stuff creeped in there. So can you see? All right. Maybe what I'll do is I'll just be like this. All right. So yes for swim stuff. What are you? You are a good winter shirt. That's fine. 3/4 length. We like it. I like this. When I work out, I like that. That's nice. Pickleball. I don't know. I feel it's good, but I don't like stuff that has words on it. So I'm going to get rid of that. I do use this, but I don't like that the top kind of goes up, so I never use it anymore. Like if you're in the water, you go in the water, the top kind of goes upward, like it's like, and I'm like, oh no, I have to cover that. Okay. Yes, this is like shorts, bedtime shorts or whatever. I have room down here, so I'll put it there. All right, pickleball. Like, I don't know. I think I'm gonna keep this. No, I don't want it. But I have a lot of athletic shirts now, like tanks and stuff, and I love them, so I'm gonna keep those. One paint shirt. I'm gonna keep a paint shirt. I have to keep that for church. All right, let's see. This is my standard Amazon basics. Links in the description. Just kidding. I don't know if my links. This is also athletic. That's like, I don't need that. Sometimes people give me stuff and then I'm like, thank you, but I didn't need it. So I don't need this tank top. It's kind of nice to let go of stuff. The whole point of this video. Kind of nice to let go of stuff. Dumb butt. Okay. Yeah, this is just all my Amazon basic shirts and I love them. They're all grays and blacks. Tasha, why don't you wear colors? Like, sometimes I wear colors. My problem is I just don't want to have to worry about matching stuff. That's the thing. I don't want to have to worry about matching stuff. I don't use that anymore. I don't use that. We're done with all of this. Forget all this. This is cute. This is a cute top. All I'm gonna have, guys, is tank tops, like, and t-shirts. Like, do I even have a sweater? I don't wear that. I don't need that. It's like all my pickleball stuff. I'm like, I don't want it. That's how bad it is. I'm letting go of it, guys. Someone gave this to me recently, so I'm gonna keep that still for at least 6 more months and then I'll decide. And Amazon basic shirt. All right, this is cool. That's so much better. Time to put all the stuff back in. We love it. We love it. I don't know if I'm gonna fold it all nice though, guys. I don't know. Do I have swim stuff? Where's my swimwear? This and this. And I'm supposed to just have all my swimwear together, so I don't know why. Okay, here's my swim shorts. I literally have one pair of swim shorts. That's fine. That's fine. We'll fast forward through this part, but I just want to apologize for my absence. I'm back into everything now, and so we've got some exciting stuff coming up, and I do have to tell you something soon as well. Yeah, oh my goodness, this looks so much better, guys. All right, just gonna do this on this camera. This is looking a lot better. I don't care to be super neat, guys. Just don't come at me. Just know that this is what we got rid of, guys. This is what, look at that and all the stuff in here. Like, that's amazing. Okay, and now this bottom one, we just got some paint pants over here. There's room for the paint pants. It's fine. Like, this is fine. And then there's still, like, there's too much room. There's too much room. All I use really are these pants and these shorts, and life is good. Like, that's it. And I'm happy. That's it. Okay. Yeah. All right. You know, we can't win all the battles today, but in terms of like this area, I think I'm just going to move like everything here to over to over here, because then there will be more room, like it'll be like the dresser area will be clearer. So that's what let me do that real quick. Okay, so you just move all your clutter to one area so the other part looks not cluttered. It's hack number 1 in the rule book, guys. Okay, it's not bad. And then I need to just figure out my life with all this stuff I have on the floor, but we're not gonna worry about that. Like we're just doing little things, little wins right now, guys, and that's okay. But I feel so much better than I did like 20 minutes ago when I first started this, because now over here is like more clear, except for this trash bag. We like it, guys. Like I don't know. I don't know if I like it. It's good enough. It's good enough, guys. Yeah. So those are all my clothes, and then over here is just empty space, kind of, and I can figure out my books and stuff, but it's better than it was before. So we love it. Yeah. All right. One thing at a time, guys. If you want to join the newsletter, you can do so below. Goodbye to you. Goodbye to everything that I knew.